Bitcoin nears $110,000 as price hits ATH. $120,000 possible this month. Adoption. Bitcoin. Market. The rally appears driven by a perfect storm of macroeconomic easing, renewed institutional inflows, and an increasingly favorable risk-on environment. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile, share, copied, last updated, May 20th, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. Bitcoin has broken its all-time high and rallied over 40% in 6 weeks. Cooling trade tensions and new U.S. trade deals have boosted investor risk appetite. Rising ETF inflows suggest more upside ahead. Bitcoin punched through $109,114.88 on Wednesday, sealing a fresh Bitcoin ATH after a 40% 6-week surge as cooling U.S. trade wars lured risk capital back into crypto. Rising ETF inflows and a $1.2 billion short stack hint at more fireworks ahead. The milestone follows Washington's surprise tariff truce with Beijing and a limited UK pact, brightening the macro picture. With Bitcoin ETFs soaking up supply and shorts clustered near $108,000, analysts say a squeeze toward $120,000 is now in play. Crypto markets surge after Trump's trade deals. The bullish momentum intensified after President Trump dialed back his aggressive trade rhetoric in recent days, indicating openness to new trade deals and cooling tensions with key partners. That policy shift has reignited investor appetite for risk, with Bitcoin and major altcoins benefiting directly. Earlier in May, the US and China announced an agreement to temporarily reduce tariffs on each other's goods, indicating a cooling of trade tensions. The agreement, delivered via a joint statement in Geneva, provides a 90-day window for both countries to negotiate further economic cooperation. According to the deal, the U.S. will lower tariffs on Chinese imports from 145% to 30%, while China will reduce duties on American goods from 125% to 10%. More recently, the U.S. and the U.K. also announced a limited trade agreement, referred to as the Economic Prosperity Deal. The agreement was designed to reduce tariffs and non-tariff barriers, enhancing market access and fostering economic collaboration between the two nations. BlackRock's dominance in Bitcoin ETF inflows. In Asia, high-net-worth investors are also reallocating capital, pivoting away from U.S. dollar-linked instruments toward gold, Chinese equities, and cryptocurrencies, reinforcing regional interest in Bitcoin. A key factor behind this Bitcoin ATH is the aggressive net spot demand observed in both institutional and retail markets, driven not by leverage but by spot buying. Leading the charge is BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, which has been dominating U.S. ETF inflows since mid-April. In a recent note, Galaxy Digital analysts have reaffirmed Bitcoin's growing perception as a digital store of value, echoing comments from Jay Jacobs, head of thematics at BlackRock, who stated that countries are diversifying away from the U.S. dollar in favor of gold and now Bitcoin. Market structure supports bullish case. Market structure also supports the bullish case. Bitcoin has held above $100,000 for nearly 2 weeks, with recent closes near $106,500 marking historic strength. Only 4 prior sessions have ended above the current level, making this Bitcoin ATH breakout meaningful from a technical perspective. Additionally, data from CoinGlass shows that around $1.2 billion in short positions are concentrated between $107,000 and $108,000. A continued climb could trigger forced liquidations, sending prices sharply higher toward $115,000 to $120,000. With ETF inflows rising and Ethereum spot ETFs gaining traction, the environment favors further upside. Data from Farside shows that Bitcoin ETFs have recorded consistent net inflows over the past 5 trading sessions, indicating renewed institutional confidence. From May 14th to May 20th, every day except saw net positive flows. In particular, May 19th stood out with a substantial $667.4 million net inflow, followed by $329.2 million on May 20th. These figures suggest investors are increasingly positioning ahead of potential price breakouts, likely in response to improving macroeconomic sentiment and regulatory clarity. Analysts warn of potential profit-taking, but so far, the profit-to-loss ratio on-chain remains below overheating levels, currently 99 versus 200 threshold. Bitcoin's breakout to a new ATH has strong legs. If bulls maintain control and macro conditions hold steady, especially with the Fed under pressure from weak long bond demand, the path toward $120,000 this month is realistic. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? SUI just flipped XRP in institutional inflows. What happens next might shock the market? SUI price prediction. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? May 10, 2025. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin News. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? May 13, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin News. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL as holdings soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? May 10, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 13 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keely-Cuddy. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, Price Prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum Price Prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.